Hey guys, good morning. Alright, so today I kind of thought it wise to do my morning routine, show you guys what I use basically. Okay, so because I've actually been getting a lot of comments and oh, what do you use and stuff, not different from what I've actually been showing you guys, not different. So I'm still going to be doing my intro. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please share this video, okay, because I actually need to be encouraged and I'm going to be doing more. What I'm going to be showing you today is actually not all that I use, but the one that I can just show you right now, okay. And also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so basically for this channel I'm gonna be doing series of program my morning routine and other talk and skinny recipe. Okay, what I mean by skinny recipe is I'm just gonna be showing you the kind of food that is gonna be very important if you want to maintain your weight, or if you want to lose weight, or if you don't want to gain weight. Okay, so that's basically what it's going to be. So without further wasting of time, well, there's actually no lights in this bathroom right now, so whatever you're seeing right now is how it is. Okay, all right, so let me go show you this. All right. Alright guys, so first of all, this is the soap. This is actually the soap that I use. I actually use an homemade soap, okay. I actually make this myself, and this is a black soap. I don't know if this camera is actually very bright or there's no lights. Okay, you guys have to just manage it this way. Okay, so I actually made the soap myself. If you want, let me know at the comment section, okay, if I should actually make the soap and show you how I made it, because there are lots of stuff I put here. There are a lot of serum, there's lemon, there is the sulfur, there is, I put orange peel extract and some oil too. Okay, this stuff is actually making noise. Okay, so if you want to know how I came up with this, because this is basically what I use. I actually wanted to start selling this on Instagram, but I was just thinking the transportations, how I'm going to be sending it to people. Okay, this is actually very good if you're actually having dark spots and oily skin, and if you don't understand how your skin is, man, you use this like seriously. But I'm probably going to show you how I'm going to be doing that. So in some morning, not every morning though, I actually scrub my face using the bicarbonate of soda, and then I use coconut oil, and some days I actually put in organic honey. Okay, and then some days also, because not every morning, I'm actually going to be making another video where I'm actually going to be showing you my basic every morning routine, what I do every freaking morning. But yeah, I actually use this sometimes into Neutrogena. But if you're actually having a dry skin, and if you're irritated with alcohol, don't use this. It's actually better you use the home remedy, the ones I actually show you, So as that sometimes back, I actually used to use this. If I remember, it's acne stress control. Okay, so this is it, and you can see how it is. I've actually not been using it for so long because I prefer the baking soda and the coconut oil method more, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. Okay, and that is that for that. And also for the cream that I use, this is just what I use. Okay, and not sometimes, I actually mix this with a particular oil, but I don't have it right now. So I'm gonna be, when I buy it, I'm just gonna be showing you how I actually get across my my cream, how I mix it and how I apply it, and blah 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 and all of that. Okay, so for today I'm just going to be, because this is what I want to do right now, I'm just going to be mixing this particular one, not too much guys, actually just mix just a little quantity, except I'm going to be giving it to somebody. That's when I have to mix much. So you guys have actually seen in my video, in my video I do this a whole lot, like I tell you guys. So it's actually not like telling you to do, but I also do it too. I also apply it on my skin, on my face, because it's actually pretty good for me. Okay, so this is basically what I do. I do this like once or once in a week. Or alright, so if you actually did enjoy this kind of videos, okay, because I'm actually also thinking of making a vlog in this channel. If you are going to enjoy it, let me know, okay, at the comment section. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing like another morning routine where I'm gonna be showing you basically what I do every freaking morning. Okay, this particular one I apply it just once or twice in a week, just to get rid of spots and all of that stuff. So when I'm done applying it, what I do is that I would scrub it through. Okay, using baking soda on the skin is not something you have to use every day guys, and I'll scrub it through my face and also my upper lip, because usually my upper lip is darker than my, okay, I don't know if you can see me because since the camera is down. Okay, and my upper lip is darker than my lower lip, so I scrub that a whole lot. Okay, so well, that will be it for this. I don't know if there's any other thing I want to show you. I just wanted to like start up this kind of series and do something added to this channel, and not only the natural recipe. Okay, if you like those kind of videos, let me know, because I'm actually going to be showing you when I buy the oil that I use for my lotion. I'm going to be showing you how I actually mix that in this particular channel, and we're going to be talking about some love affair and all of that stuff. So let me know if you want to see things like that. Anyway, even if you don't want to see, I'm still going to be uploading because it's my channel, right? Alright, so that will be it for now. And if you're actually still interested in knowing, or if you think there's any way you can actually give me direction on how I could be selling this soap on Instagram, let me know, because I'm actually like thinking about the stress that I'm gonna be going through, like selling this soap. Like I would have to be sending it over to people and all of that. So I don't know, but this soap is great. It's smoothing the skin like mad. I am telling you, I'm actually not joking here. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna be making this video for today too long, okay? So let me know your thoughts, and if there's anything I actually miss in this morning routine, let me know, so that when I want to do another one, I'm going to be doing a series, okay, and more videos apart from the natural home remedies. Let me know at the comment section so I can improve on that. But for now, I'm just going to be washing this off. Okay, the thing is that, let me tell you one thing. If you actually apply baking soda on your lip, it has to be just 1 minute. That's if you can even stay for 1 minute, because it's burning. It's not like it's going to like burn off your lip, but it's kind of pepperish like that. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so I held this on my face for like 5 minutes now. Okay, I was actually in the kitchen preparing some dish. So I'm just going to be washing it this way. So I just going to be pouring in water for the baking soda to just rush down. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing it this way. No, not that. Alright, so after that I'm actually going to be using the soap that I showed you and then my lotion. So that will be it for this morning routine. I just wanted to show you some of the things I use, which is actually not all. Okay, so if there's anything I'm missing or how I'm supposed to do it, let me know at the comment section. Alright, for now let me rush to the kitchen and finish my dish. Subscribe and bye.